Trevor and Nick here from Measured, talking insights and observations from the field. The focus for this session is experimentation to inform your opportunity for scale. Understand your media saturation curves without risking your capital. How much further can you push into a channel, a tactic, an audience, before your metrics no longer align with your business KPIs? Nick, talk to us about scale testing and how it is deployed.
Well, Trevor, there are two key angles to this. The first is control testing. Control testing establishes the incremental contribution or incremental marketing efficiency for a given channel, tactic, or audience. We then compare that to key efficiency targets, preferably ones that have been driven by a customer lifetime value analysis or are based on other key strategic or financial goals. Once we've established where we are on the diminishing returns curve and then compare that to our efficiency targets, we get an understanding for how much room we may have to scale in a given marketing vehicle. Once we've established incrementality, then we can focus on scale testing. Listen, it's completely impractical to double or triple your marketing spends across the board without taking a severe efficiency hit. With scale testing, we can go in and surgically experiment and understand tactic by tactic, audience by audience, where you may have the room to significantly increase spend without blowing your efficiency targets out of the water. Put all of this together and you give marketers the data and experimental evidence they need to be able to significantly increase marketing spend and drive transformative growth through the business.
Can you provide a few examples from the field?
Yeah, I recently worked with a fashion retailer to explore scale testing for Facebook prospecting on an audience by audience basis. Scale testing showed that broad targeting, as well as key pockets of interest targeting and lookalike audiences, had significant room to scale, anywhere from 25% to more than 100% for some. Other key lookalike audiences hit efficiency targets very quickly. They showed very little room to scale. The result was that the CMO had a bulletproof plan to take back to finance to increase budgets, and more importantly, a tactical guide for how to deploy those budgets once they were approved. The result was that in just 1 month after scale testing, we were able to increase budgets by 38% for Facebook prospecting, while only seeing a mild 16% decrease in efficiency, well within the targets that had been established by the organization. The most important thing, though, is that monthly sales grew by 14%, driven by this significant increase in Facebook prospecting. And that's a really powerful result for the business.
Key takeaway here, Nick, is scale testing is critical to inform depth in current tactics and also for exploring new channels and tactics to drive growth.